Hello, I'm Bill Klyn. I'm the International Business Development Manager for Patagonia. Pretty cool job, actually. What I do is go around the world, which is a nice idea, looking for new businesses, and I see some pretty interesting places around the planet. But there's nothing like coming back to Jackson Hole and seeing the awesome view of the Tetons. But again, when I look at that and I start thinking of all the things I've seen, I start thinking of things that eventually will happen to our community. My concern now is climate change. And no question that the political impact to our wildlife, our natural resources, and ultimately our economy are definitely in lines of going to be some changes. With continued warming trends that's severely impacting our weather trends, we're starting to see shorter, drier winters. Of course, that's reducing runoff that feeds our rivers and takes care of our natural habitat. Aquifers are running drier. Increased global warming is having pine beetle killing off more and more trees, and the list goes on of different things. But seeing last year was the hottest temperature on record, and seeing Hurricane Sandy come through, suddenly red flags are going up all over the country. 6 years ago, the Western Governors Conference was here in Jackson. They saw climate change back then, and one of the key things they wanted to do is they wanted to start looking at water, and that became a key initiative. Thank God they did. Since then, you've continued to see droughts that have occurred here. But anyway, what I want to say is we can't do anything about the weather, right? But what we can do is do like other businesses I'm seeing all around the world, and that is we can no longer continue to do business under an old economy that's been running for 50 years. What we have to do is try to imagine what a new economy would look like. Imagine here in Jackson we started to see ski season lasting maybe 2 months instead of 3. We're starting to see impacts to the environment that's starting to take away that special area or the special interest why people come here. So what's that going to look like? As we see more or less water, you're going to see more challenges between recreation, energy extraction, and agriculture. So that keeps going on. So the bottom line, and my point is about a new economy, is we need to look at our community and our businesses. Think what we would need to survive when we have fewer tourist dollars, and enough, is there enough here to really fuel our economy? Can we really do things we really need to do with just a local business? These, I think, are very interesting things that we really have to take a look at. So there's no change, there's no question, change is going to happen. It's how we manage that change. And I ask you to start thinking and take on the challenge of a new economy. Patagonia itself, you'll start to see a lot of our initiatives in the next few years start to challenge our own customers into you. Our future's in your hands. Thank you.